Okay, welcome to this quick video showing how to complete US dollar payments. All right, so for US dollar payments, we have several gateways, but the gateway we're going to be using now is Clover. There are two differences compared with the prior API call. We've added an input for gateway, so you can choose some of the gateways that you want to use, depending on the mid that you want to use here. We have codes that complete payments in Stripe, Square, Authorize, and Clover. Clover is the default right now. Okay. Then, in addition, you can use the gateway provider's interface. So here we're just going to be using Clover. Normally, we want to use the Toronet, the Connect World interface. So that's the default. It defaults to no. So we'll use our own interface. All right. First, let me set it to no so that you'll see what happens in that scenario. Okay. Then, addition, we have an environment variable, but we are not advising any project to use this to perform tests, right? The only test you need to perform is a dollar test when you are connected, because these are really simple implementations. So you either have it right or you don't. And when you have it right, just do a dollar test, and once it works, then you can go into production. All right, so we are going to run this now. I'm going to use one of the API servers instead of the load balance, because I want to basically test specific behavior. So here you see we're using the Connect World interface because we said to use the Connect World provider interface rather than the provider's interface. We're going to switch it back to yes for now, and we run the same thing. Okay, so here is the payment URL as well when you want to use the provider's interface. The default is, of course, no, and you can delete all of this stuff. We actually prefer that projects do not even use any of this. Just leave those two defaults. That's the best scenario. All right, so I'm going to make the payment. Okay, so here's the amount to pay. You have the option of paying by card or by bank. So right now, projects are advised to just use the card setting for both bank and card when they want to do USD, to use the card setting when they want to do USD, use this, because the option from Clover would process both. All right, so now we will proceed. I'm going to pause this and enter the payment instead. And so the next thing to do is to record the transaction. We do have a webhooks now that will record it for you if you don't, but really the good practice is to make sure that you record the transaction. So the only thing we have here is USD transaction ID, and that's enough. If you're running a test, you should add the environment variable, but like I said, projects are advised not to run that, not to run tests. Let me see, is there something else we're missing? We have the transaction ID. Okay, we need a payment type as well. Oh, I'm sorry. This is with running this test. this gateway. We probably don't need that payment type. All right, so it's been recorded, and the $1 has been recorded. Let's see what it looks like on the chain for USD transactions. There it is, into the wallet. That completes the test.